Hey everyone, I've got some very bad news and some very good news. I'll start with the very good news. The good news is there's no trouble anymore. I've had trouble status for about a year. What I did was I took the old battery out and put a new one in. So that fixed that problem. Very bad news is, yeah, that. That's the very bad news. I think I'll keep this video to show you what happened. It fell off the wall, and this is, yeah, the wire came out, and the door won't shut anymore. The wall gave way, and well, the panel fell off. The door broke, and I'm decommissioning the panel for good. It is no good anymore, so I am gonna take it down now since it's taking itself down right now. Hold on, I'm gonna fix the battery. So yeah, that's you saw what happened, and that's what happened about a week ago. So I'm sending it off to the funeral home, 24 Branchport Avenue, New Jersey, Long Branch, New Jersey, where it will be probably taken away for good. If you know the address, 24 Branchport Avenue, Long Branch, New Jersey, you probably know what that is. You can probably look it up online. So I'm going to say one last goodbye to this panel. I've had it for about 3 years. I may never see it again. So I'm going to ship it out this Saturday. And the company, Wheelock might be able to replace it for me. If not, I'm screwed. So the wire that just came out is the wire that trips the actually, what is that wire? What is that wire that fell out? Oh, wait, what is this wire anyway? Oh, that was the wire that, when the EST goes off, trips the fire shield. Whoops. Oh well, I have to fix that. Well, I might as well take down the whole system anyway and reconfigure it. Anyway, yeah, the bad news is the Wheelock panel is no good anymore. So, if I can't get a replacement for the DV-200, either a Safepath or another DV-200, I might get an ENELK 120 or 124. So this might be the last. This is going to be the last time you're going to see the DV-200. So say goodbye to it because it's gone. It's going. Thanks for watching.